Wow. Oh, wow. That thing dipped a little bit. Do I have to pull this shut? Oh, wow. That is a proper gate. Whoa! Yo! Oh, this is cool. This is my first, like, vintage, like, proper old Schindler. Woo-hoo! And it's original logic. Oh, yes! Well, now I can officially say I've been on a vintage black button Schindler. Hell yes. Wait, that's a wood gate. Wow. Yes, definitely relay logic. All right, let's get a look at this panel. Here's the certificate. Look at this little bitty COP. And look, Schindler. Definitely single speed. That is definitely the old logic for sure. Let's watch it go. Oh, also, I just want to show this gate. That is such a smooth gate, too. Like, it's just so easy. You barely have to push it. Like, I feel like gates in America, you gotta freaking, like... Oh, the handle block. That's so weird how the handle's there so the gate doesn't close all the way. I feel like American gates, you gotta, like... This one's smooth. Cool. That is so neat. Does it have automatic closing gate? No. Someone before me just left the gate open. Anyway. That is so cool.